So the biggest burn ever, okay? Yesterday I went to Inglewood, shot the KB homes, did everything, and then I went home last night to go ahead and edit it, and then lost all of the audio footage on everything. Burn. So I'm sitting there trying to edit, trying to salvage it. Can't do it. So guess where we're going? Going back to Inglewood. Back to Inglewood. Hey Amelia. Come on. Give me my munchies. Alright, now since it's like the coldest winter we've had in Southern California, we gotta wear these jackets. Alright. Oh. See you later. Love you. Best friends? Alright, go. Now give all my cheese. I gotta go. Okay, I see you later.
Bye, later. Yeah.
Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Give me much?
That's it.
Give me much?
Spicy.
Give me much? Another one? Oh, big buggy? Okay, I see you later, guys, okay?
That's fine.
I love you. That's disgusting. Alright, babe, I'll see you later, okay? Alright, so we're on our way back over to Inglewood and get green apples, of course. That's what we're gonna do. Get green apples. You got it. Now Inglewood is kind of like what, like if, how do I explain? Like back in the day, right? Back in the day, Harlem used to be one of the worst places you could live in. And in the Bay Area, Oakland used to be one of the worst places you could live in. But now all of these places have gotten so gentrified that it's like one of the like a really, really nice place to live. So we're gonna go ahead and go back over there. And the best part about that place is they have some of the best tacos you could possibly imagine. I'm a big taco guy, and that's the main reason why we're doing a lot of these taco reviews. But let's get out of here. I gotta get some gas and get on with it. What's up, guys? Omar, broker and CEO of Alden Mortgage and Omar Realty. So we are gonna check out this other property right over here. This is Plan 2258, built by KB Homes, Inglewood, California. So like the other ones, this has actually like a front little patio area. They actually just put some, I don't know, shrubbery, I guess is what you would call it in front. But I would totally just wipe all of this out and put like concrete this and then put whatever, because you don't have a patio in these, like a backyard patio per se, right? You have your front one, so if you're gonna have it, might as well utilize it. Put some like patio chairs and whatever it is in front of it. But let's get in here and check this sucker out. So, all right, okay. So as soon as you walk in, you have what's called a flex space, and this is, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually just, this is beautiful. Like this like light stuff and Sophie Bloom Photography, I don't know who that is, but whatever. They made this into a flex space. Now, you see that this is open, right? This is completely open. I don't know if you could, let me take these off so I can see too. So this is completely open. Now you do have the option of putting a door in here and just making this in a guest room, but I personally love the way that this is set up. This is how it should be set up. You can make this into a loft area, or not a loft because loft would actually be upstairs, but like a hangout room and this and that. And this way, you won't be like a fat ass like me and then have a convenience of being towards where the kitchen is and then just getting up for no reason, checking what's in the fridge. The sandwich might miraculously appear and I'm like, you know, just opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing. You know how it goes. This way, you keep your fat ass away from upstairs, and if you do get hungry and if you do want to go, you can just go ahead and take the stairs and you get your workout in. But this room is about 15 feet in length, give or take, by 10 feet wide, and then you have a ton of lighting here. As you can see, this is super, super bright and super open. Then you have your little side, and then see like the side area right here, it goes all the way, wraps around. And this goes ahead and wraps all the way around. So this would actually be a nice place to just go ahead and put a patio set or do something. Or even like if you're gonna do like a bocce ball thing, just put some AstroTurf in there so you actually get to use the real estate that you have that's offered. And then you have your walk-in closet, kind of, sort of. They didn't put the things up there, so they're just making this like an extra storage room. But this is like a flex space, right? A flex space. So this is what it's meant for. Like, you know, you could just put a bunch of your junk in there and do whatever it is that you do. You switch my hands because my hand's getting tired. And then you come across over here, and then you have your half bathroom. This is gonna be your half bathroom right over here. Access to your garage right over here. And then you have your coat closet. Coat closet. Bam. Now let's go ahead and go upstairs and see what the rest of the house is going for. You don't need to see this. Let's just go ahead and skip this part. All right, so coming up to the top of the stairs, you have your half bathroom right over here. Half bathroom, and then you have yourself another coat closet, I'm assuming. Yeah, coat closet right over here. Put whatever you want. I guess this is like, they're trying to do this like a little pantry type of thing or whatever, but whatever. And then you come across, wow, this is beautiful. This is so nice and homey and bright. If you want to get, like, you should go through all my videos if you ever want to get design ideas, which I should probably link a lot of this stuff in there and just sell it. Light bulb. All right, then we're gonna come over, and I like how they did the square. See, like, this is what I mean. When you have a square dining table, it gives you a little separation from there. So you have that separation. So even though it's an open open layout, you still have the separation from here to there. And then you come in and, man, I love these couches. See, like, if you go into the previous video, right? You go to the previous video, you'll see that I said, you know, sectionals are the way to go. Sectionals are awesome, especially when you're trying to make a space comfy. If you're going for aesthetic purposes, then the world's your squirrel. Like, do whatever you want, you know. The world's your squirrel. Squirrels, you're just a squirrel trying to get a nut. I'm stupid with these things. Okay, but see like how great this looks, this little sectional right over here. And then you have your nook area right here, which your TV would go into. Mount that sucker. And then, wait, I have actually the same thing inside of my house. These are like these cathedral style mirrors. We got ours from Pottery Barn, if anybody wants to know. I think it's Pottery Barn or CB2 or one of them, but those are, they're very expensive. And I mean, to me, it's expensive. I'm not a rich man, but you know, so like $800 for a mirror, it's a little bit much even for me, but whatever makes whatever keeps a happy home. So you come up to the top of the stairs, to the right hand side, you have your two bedrooms, and then you have your laundry area right here, which is great because if the laundry is going, you don't have to worry about the master bedroom people getting disturbed, like what we would have. You would have your kids that would get annoyed from the washer dryer go do. Unless you get these really cool silent ones, which are great. Silent ones they're getting really good with these things, with these appliances. And then you come on over here, and then you have your first bedroom. They did this like in a little pinky. And then you have your little, like a pinky type of room that we have going on over here. And then we come off to the other room. And then this other room, I'm not sure exactly what that style is. I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea what style it is. If you know, comment below, let me know. I have no idea. But I like how they made this very LA. I guess they were trying to do an LA style, of course. Los Angeles, California, and then you come across here, and then they did this Hollywood little thing over here. And then you have your nice little closet in here. Bam, and then let's go ahead and go into the last bedroom, which is going to be the master bedroom, which I totally forgot. I'm a dummy. This is the closet, or it's a long day. This is the bathroom for those two bedrooms. And then you have yourself a towel closet right over here. And then we're coming in, and then we're doing the last one. Holy shit! This is why bright rooms are a necessity, right? Look at how clean and crisp and just like if you woke up and you like, this is what you have no choice but to wake up happy, because if you had it in a dark, grungy place, like, of course, certain places you have to have some separation. Let me get away from that. Like, certain places you have to have a separation. Like, let's say, for instance, you are working from home, right? Working at home, yes, totally make your office into something different, because you need to switch your mind off to something else. You need to switch your mind to go ahead and get into work mode, and then the house mode comes in. So just make your office a completely drastic change, which is that flex room downstairs. Make it into something completely different. Make it black, purple, what's your favorite color, whatever you want to do, something to tell your mind, hey, it's work time, I need to go ahead and get work. And then when you step out of the office, you can be like, oh, finally I could get out. And then it's like you get that little bit of a separation that you have going on. But we come on over, and then they have this nice, this is a nice bed. The room has a pretty good size. It's about, let's say, 12 by 12, 13 by 13, somewhere around there. And then you have your walk-in closet that's right over here. And this is a really, really good size walk-in closet. This is such a good size closet. You could put one of those little, you know, like at Bloomingdale's and like those other stores that they have those little middle things where you can put your stuff on top of it. It's like a display area or whatever it is. And then finally, we are gonna go into the master bathroom. Master bathroom, cool. We have his and her sink. We have stand-up shower, which thank God they don't have a tub in here. Thank God they don't have a tub in here, because I just don't understand. Like, I have a tub in my house, we don't ever use it. Now I understand if you're like a sports person or whatever, or you're just a super like bathtubby type person, then yeah, cool, it's thing. But for the most of us, we don't ever use the bathtub. It just doesn't really work for us. But then you have your towel closet right over here to go ahead and put towels. I would probably put towels in underwear, because you grab your towel, you clean yourself up, put your underwear down, and then you can just go and do your thing. But let's go ahead and do a recap on this property. Let's go downstairs and let's figure this out. Bam! All right, so let's go ahead and do a recap on this guy, okay? Excuse me. So this is 2,258 square feet. HOA is $198 a month. Tax rate is at 1.4%. These homes currently, all of them are between $1.1 and $1.3 million. Just crazy to think that Inglewood used to be like, you wouldn't dare live in Inglewood. I mean, unless you get closer to the LAX area, because we are like a stone's throw away from LAX airport. It used to be like really, really expensive over that area, because you had a lot of aerospace people that lived over there. But overall, man, this is I will never say anything bad about a townhome. I mean, unless it's like burnt down and it's absolute garbage, or it has separation, it's not open. But this is a great, great, great layout. This is awesome. They did a really, really good job. Now, majority of these new developers, they always do a really, really good job with it. But for up to 50% commission rebate, for any mortgaging assistance or down payment assistance or whatever, link in the description below. I'm here to help you. You want to try to find a house? I will find it for you. I will find assistance for you. You don't have any money down? I got you. I will find a way to where you don't have to put any money down to go ahead and pay for the house that you want to go ahead and get. The key is that majority of people have this thing where they're like, I want to buy a house. I am tired of renting. I hate renting. And then you're moving and you're going this and that, or you're renting a place from a landlord, and he's just like, you know what, forget you. I'm going to go ahead and sell this property. And now you have to like scurry up and move. Set your roots. Find something. And if you do, but it's not for everybody. Some people just like the moving. Some people just like to go to new places. But if you want a little piece of your own pie, here it is. So let's go ahead and go to the next property. And if you like this comment or content, please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, do all of that. I know we're a fairly new YouTube channel, and but the whole point of this is, sorry, battery ran out, but the whole point of this is to try to help people get into the house. Now, I know majority of the time that I put these ridiculously expensive homes, and for the most part, California is fairly expensive, but it's just to go ahead and get people to look, because my forte, my thing is to help people that typically could not get into a home to have an avenue, to have a path for them to get into a house if that's what you really, really want to do. I mainly deal in lower end stuff. I mean, not lower end. Okay, I take that back. That's a horrible way to say things. But like, I mainly deal with people, which it's not. I mainly deal. I enjoy dealing with people that in the world of now, in the world of the real estate that we live in, where everything is exorbitantly expensive. That I just want to help people get into a home if that's what you really, really want to do. But that said, let's get on to the next property. And like always, if you like the content, just go ahead, please like, subscribe, comment, do all of that stuff. Help it grow out. Maybe somebody, we could help somebody out. Maybe we can help you out. Whatever we could do, we will go ahead and do it. And if I can't, I apologize, but this is not a promise to lend. NMLS ID number down 1486181. All my license information is down there. So let's get out and go to the other one.